guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What I have for you today is we are in our guest bathroom and we are going to be decorating it for Christmas 2022. Can't wait to show you my Christmas decor that I'm going to be putting in this bathroom, okay? And I will also show you in there, many of you have seen this, but we redid our bathrooms probably about 5 years ago and put new tile in the shower. And Melvin actually did that and he did a wonderful job. I picked out the tile and he put it on there. I helped, I put the grout in, but he did everything else and it looks great, okay? So this is kind of a hard room to film because it's not an exceptionally small bathroom, but it's just not all that wide. Although it's kind of wide, but it's just awkward, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here first, and then we'll just keep working through and get this bathroom decorated for Christmas. Okay, several years ago, I picked this house and a church just like this up at Walmart, and they were $19.99. Okay, I don't know if they have these this year or not, but I love them. And my bedroom is done in a cabin theme. I call it Kringle's Cozy Cabins. So that you'll be seeing coming up pretty soon. But I want this guest bathroom, which is before you get to our bedroom, to kind of show that woodsy cabin theme as well, okay? So I'm going to put this in here, and it has a little hole right there. So I just put a little candle, and I'm just going to set that right down on there and kind of turn it at an angle, and then at night when you come in here, it'll be glowy and gorgeous. Alright, next I'm going in with this little gift box. Well, it's a gift bag DIY that I did. I think it was last year. I didn't show it on my channel because I was running late, but I love this. I think I picked it up at Walmart and I put it on here. You could put lights in it if you want, like I did in the living room, but this goes along with our cozy cabin theme, okay? And I'm just going to hang it right up here. Just like that, and it hides the other little hook I had, but it's all giving a cozy little vibe, okay? Next I need to put down some throw mats for Christmas, and then we're going to go in there and decorate that shelf. Alright, I was at Aldi's last night, and look at these for $7.99. They're pretty plush, but they're kind of not the best quality, but they're nice. This just says Merry Christmas with the trees. It's gray. I'm going to put it right down here in front of the sink. And I'll show you what it looks like up close afterwards. Then I wanted to add this one with the pretty snowflakes. It's gray and white as well. And I'm going to put it right down in front of the bathtub. And I think that looks so festive. Okay, next I'm going to go in. I picked this shelf up at Hobby Lobby. I think it was in the spring. It was a very deep clearance. And I just put some more of that really pretty greenery that I love, that I've had forever. I think I picked it up at Michael's several years ago. That church sign came from Walmart 2 years ago, I think, or last year when I got that house that I just showed you. That's a little Dollar Tree house that you put a tea light in, and that tree came from Walmart, okay? This is lit up, and I can't remember where I got this little church, but I love it. And then I picked this up this year at Target's Dollar Spot. I just kind of wanted to put a little village in here. Okay, now this is actually for Valentine's Day, but I think it works quite well for Christmas. You can put a tea candle in it, and I need to find mine. And then this is another one from Target's Dollar Spot. So I'm going to alternate this one there and put this red one right here. It's looking very Christmassy. Okay, next I'm going in with this beautiful glittery church. It runs on a battery, but I don't have one. It's a very small battery and I forgot to look, so I don't have one. But I love how beautiful that looks. I'll have to get that fixed. So that's going to go right here. Then I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I think it was last year. It's all lit up. It's going to go right here. Then this really pretty glittery snow house came from Target last year. It doesn't light up, but I love it. I'm going to put it right there and kind of diagonal from my other red house. Now this one lights up and is lit up, and I can't remember, I don't know if I got it at the Dollar Spot or Walmart, but I love it. I'm going to put it right here. And then this came from Hobby Lobby several years ago. It was $7.99. It's good tier tray decor, or I just put it in here in my bathroom in the shelf. And it ties in that greenery. So let me see if I can find a tea light for here. And I should have put one up there, but I didn't. And we'll take a look at this. All right, when you come in here, this is what you see. I forgot to show you that I did put a little hand towel there, and it has these adorable little trees on it. I can't remember where I picked it up. There's my sign that I love. Blessed is the influence of one true loving human soul on another. That's so true. Then I have this right here, and this is what you see. It looks festive, not over the top, but festive. I started to put some garland up there, but then I didn't. But if the light is out, that's what you see. I mean, you still have the ring light, so it's not true. Then down here is my mat, and there's the other one. And then up there is a sign I made a long time. With God, all things are possible. And then here is this sign. And like I said, it just adds to the woodland cabin theme for the bathroom. And then if you come in here, now this is our shower that we redid. We did both of them. This one is darker, and then the other one is a little lighter, but it's the same design. But he did an excellent job, and I love it. Then right up here is how this is looking, and it's so festive. I started to put lights up there, but then I was like, no, I want to keep this a little simple. But I think it really adds a sweet touch in here. If you're soaking in the tub, it looks really nice. And then here's this. I got this at Lowe's years ago. Antiques 9 to noon flea market, fine goods and more. I love it. And then back on the back of the toilet, I just keep the toilet paper in that little wicker basket, and it's very handy to do that. So let me back out of here. Well, that's how I have my guest bathroom decorated for Christmas 2022. It's not over the top, it's just sweet, I think, and reflects the woodland theme. What do you think, Maggie? Do you like it? Do you like the bathroom, how it looks? Yes, you like it, don't you? She said, it's cold here today and I have to have my sweater on. I'm filming this on Thursday, and we are under a freeze warning tonight, if you can believe it. I'm so excited. Say, when I go outside, say I shake and shiver, don't you? Yes, you do. But see, I'm warm, don't worry about me. And in case you ask, these earrings, I hauled them quite a while ago, came from Target. They're bauble bar, and I love them. I think they were like $12.99. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Wednesday for, I think it's going to be my front porch decorate with me, because I don't want to rush. I'll probably do my bedroom in the cabin theme after Thanksgiving. So I'll see you on Wednesday for that. And say hi, say hello, say I love you. Say it's very cold like Mama said. But say we're snuggling and we are managing to survive. So until next time, bye guys.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day